Intensive purification begins as the banana blossoms enter high-pressure water flumes to remove external plantation debris. With the exterior fully sanitized, the banana blossoms move toward the sorting stage for size and quality categorization. High-resolution optical sorters and manual inspections ensure only the highest-grade banana blossoms advance to the core transformation. The sorting is complete. Now, the banana blossoms enter the most critical phase: physical transformation and core processing.
Mechanical peeling begins, stripping away the tough purple bracts to reveal the tender heart of the banana blossom.
High-velocity rotating blades shred the hearts into uniform, meat-like strips, defining the product's final culinary texture. The shredded fibers are transferred to industrial pressure steamers to soften the cellular structure and neutralize bitterness. Excess moisture is removed via high-speed centrifugation, preparing the fibers for optimal brine absorption later.
In the infusion stage, the fibers are gently tumbled with a specialized saline solution to enhance flavor stability.
From here, the processed fibers follow two distinct paths: traditional brine preservation or modern industrial dehydration. Automated sensors monitor the brine concentration, ensuring the banana blossom fibers reach the perfect salinity for preservation. Continuous pH testing guarantees that the natural acidity of the banana blossom is balanced for long-term shelf life. The final texture is now indistinguishable from shredded poultry or fish, a hallmark of high-quality banana blossom processing. Core transformation is now complete. The banana blossom is perfectly prepared for its final journey into the packaging stage. With the core transformation complete, the refined banana blossom is ready for parallel paths of preservation and global distribution. The shredded banana blossom now splits into two streams. immersion in preservation brine, and high-intensity industrial dehydration.
Precision sensors monitor moisture levels, ensuring the dehydrated fibers maintain their structural integrity without over-drying.
Salinity checks are performed hourly to maintain a consistent flavor profile for every batch of brined banana blossom. With the specialized treatments complete, both product paths converge for final canning and high-speed automated packaging.
In the final haul, automated systems prepare to package the banana blossom into high-grade industrial cans.
Each batch undergoes rigorous thermal sterilization, ensuring the canned banana blossom remains fresh for years without refrigeration.
Finally, the finished cans are packed into heavy-duty cases, ready for global distribution to grocery retailers.
Automation takes command as high-speed robotic systems begin the systematic palletizing of the finished banana blossom cases. Each pallet is tightly secured with industrial-strength film, protecting the banana blossom shipment during long-distance transit.